Every day, weapons are transported from countries where they are manufactured to countries that are in conflict situation. Every day yan, ang production ng weapons. But every day nanghihingi tayo para sa pagkain, medicine, shelter. May pera pala naman Pero bakit para sa pampatay? Pero para sa pambuhay, magmamakaawa ka pa. Then, if we see this on a daily basis, we are not surprised anymore why people are despairing. Why the sense of hope is getting dim.